Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make sure the case is charging the earbuds and make sure the case is kept clean. Let's begin. So if you're experiencing an issue with them not connecting, or if once both earbuds go in, they should both light up. If only you see one light up, the other won't light up once it's in there. That means you will have to go ahead and dip your Q-tip in alcohol and just clean the contact points which connects it to the charger and lets the earbuds charge. You go ahead and clean those up. And inside, don't worry, you will not damage anything, any of those pins. They will not be damaged by a Q-tip. So then they go back in and they should go back to charging, because usually over time dust gets in there and collects and it causes it to not the contact points not to actually charge the device. So once they're all cleaned and ready to go, you can start using your Soundsport again. And that is how you clean the charging case in the earbuds to make sure the earbuds charge. Thanks for watching, guys.